Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get a random GIF. We'll still be using the G keyboard. So I know I did this already, but this video is more so to retalk, because I know last time I did it was like a year and a half ago and I had no voiceover. It's pretty confusing. So what you want to do is, when you have your keyboard open, you want to press on GIF. It should be at the top bar, like if you see where the QWERTY is, and then there should be a GIF button right there. Now, like I said, I know I've done this before, but this one's with a voiceover because some people were confused. Some people were confused. You can also go to emojis, which is where I went when I was doing this recording, and then press GIF on the bottom thing, and then you can see all your GIFs there. And this is the simplest video I think I've ever made. I probably could only make like one simpler video. Anyways, you just press on what GIFs you want, and then when you do more than one of them, it'll send them as a link and it'll be really easy to copy them. And there you go. You can see I sent like 5 different ones. So then what you can do is, Discord makes this really easy. It's why I always do it within Discord, because you can't directly import GIFs into the app. You just copy text, you paste it, and I didn't open up the app for this, so you just go back, remove the new line indents, make sure there's no new lines, because it should all be one line if it's inside random text. And then you just basically add the separator, which is a semicolon to each of them, and then you go up to the top and type in random text, and that's basically it. You're done. How does that feel? Just put that into a command someplace. It also works inside of embeds. You can do like image and then that. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. New videos coming soon.